Na nababaw kabalan, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louis. Welcome to Meryenda Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Meryenda Pampanga community. And that is you guys. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Portugas Kitchen for sending us 5 of their best dishes. So if you notice guys, on our table, ang dami nating pagkain na talaga namang mapapatakam ka sa appearance pa lang. Sa amoy guys, if you're just with me, grabe ang sarap ng mga amoy nila. And of course, the taste, that's what we're gonna do today. So, starting off, let me introduce guys, this is their spaghetti Bolognese. Meron din tayong buffalo chicken, and then meron tayong chicken kare-kare. As a matter of fact, napakadalang ko lang talagang maka-receive or maka-experience ng kare-kare na chicken base. And then meron din tayo ditong roast beef with mashed potato. And then lastly, in the middle, for me, this is the king of the dishes na pinadala nila. This is their seafood mixed with Cajun sauce. Wow! Alright, so I wanna get my hands dirty, pero sa huling-huli yan, that's why we're gonna start with spaghetti bolognese. So if you notice guys, on top of our spaghetti noodles, it's a rich toppings of meat. A lot of ingredients are available here, no? Napakasarap din ng ano niya, yung sauce niya. And of course, spaghetti and cheese. Alright, so this is it. Oh wow, I love the addition of yung celery leaves natin. It gives that really strong flavor. Oh yeah. Plus, yung buffalo wings natin, sizzled with some white sesame seeds. So yung size ng mga chicken wings natin, I believe these are yung mga small to medium size, not the large one. Each bite is gonna be flavored, kumbaga flavored from the skin to the meat to the bones. Oh yeah, I like it. Let's move on to the kare-kare. So meron din silang available na bagoong. Okay, so let's get this side part. So tawag pala dito sa mga kare-kare na to are deconstructed kare-kare. Ayan, so if you notice, hindi nakahalo ka agad yung sauce natin to the vegetables. A little bit of bagoong. And you're done. Grabe guys, let's taste this. Ooh, super fresh vegetables. Medium cook, still a little bit crunchy. And yung bugong nila hindi malansa. Wow. Okay, now let's taste yung chicken meat ng kare-kare. Oh wow. Actually, match na match yung bagoong dun sa sauce nila. The sauce is hindi siya ganun ka-powerful yung flavor niya. Probably dun sa mga naghahanap ng, you know, an overall kare-kare experience, it is best partnered with the bagoong. Wow. And we're gonna go next with the roast beef with mashed potatoes. Ooh, so mashed potatoes natin dyan. This is gonna be my main carbo for this vlog. Oh wow. I love the taste of the garlic. What I like about dun sa mashed potato nila, sobrang sarap niya nagko-complement dun sa sauce nung roast beef natin. Wow. Okay, so this time, sabi ko nga sa inyo, I wanna get my hands dirty to this guy right here. Whoa. Oh. So, this is ready to go pan trays. Don't need a cracker because it's already cracked. Oh. See? Whoa. I know. Whoa. Oh man. Oh, look at the meat. Wow. Cajun sauce. Napakasarap. Actually, us Filipinos are starting to really like Cajun because napaka-strong ng flavor niya. At the same time, ang dami mong malalasahan because of the herbs and spices included dun sa Cajun. Okay, let's open this up. What? Look at that. Man, I'm gonna finish you. Oh wow, that is a little bit spicy. So let's cook this fat meat. Lahat na, sama-sama na dito. Ayan, oh, look at that. Ooh. Oh man, look at that. Sa seafood natin, of course, you saw the crab, a huge crab. Meron din tayong tahong, hipon, some shrimp, squids. And of course, corn, meron din siya. So, I gotta commend Portugas Kitchen. Presentation-wise, these dishes really look premium. You can actually bring it sa mga potluck. Hindi talaga kayo mapapahiya. Because presentation-wise pa lang, talagang mapapawa na yung dadalhan nyo. Oh. So, yeah, I'm gonna share this with my family. Again, thank you so much for being with me in this video. Maraming salamat Portugas Kitchen for being generous. Again, I can't thank you enough. Sobrang nakakataba ng puso. And at the same time, guys, nakakataba ng tiyan. But that's okay. Anyway, guys, if you like this video and if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. And yeah, I'm gonna share this with my family. Until then, please stay safe, stay at home, and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye, guys.